Hi guys, welcome to YouTube channel Facts Sci Guy. So guys, in today's video I am going to talk about a very interesting topic, and the topic is that today we're going to talk about 5 fun facts about astronauts. So guys, we know that astronauts are the main part of every space mission, but here I am now explaining top 5 fun facts which you maybe know or don't know, I don't know, but I will try to share these fun facts with you. So guys, first one is astronauts wear diapers. Yes guys, they wear diapers. Well, technically it's called a maximum absorbency garment, but for all the intents and purposes it's a diaper. See, missions are generally pretty unpredictable and might have a bunch of delays. And when you can't just unbuckle and pop on the toilet, you have to make like a baby and let loose. Unconfirmed, but we are pretty sure astronauts change their own diapers. The next one is astronaut literally means star sailor in Latin. It comes from the term astronauts, which translates to star sailor. Pretty stellar, if you know what I mean. The next one is astronauts have to train to use the toilet. So a space toilet is basically a hose with a vacuum and then a bucket with a vacuum for number 2. The fun fact is that the training toilet at NASA has a camera underneath it, so you can ensure that you are perfectly positioning yourself. Yo! So the next one is you have to learn Russian to be on the International Space Station. To be able to read manuals on the Russian side, communicate and generally know what's going on, all astronauts have to learn Russian. Perfect. And the next one is an astronaut lost his wedding ring on the moon once and found it during a spacewalk. Seriously, it was the amazing facts. So guys, what about this video? If you like this video and if you like this fact, obviously like this video and share with your friends and family. In next video I am coming up very important and very funny facts about more things and also many more videos of space. So guys, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell, because when you upload new videos you get notified. So guys, thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.